In this video, we're going to be replacing the coolant reservoir vent tube. And I'm getting a little bit of vapor release from this. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace it. We got one from Mercedes. And when you look at it, there's like little O-rings. So maybe these O-rings have gotten a little bad. So the job would be straightforward, but I believe we have to remove this shroud right here. So that's what we're going to do first. Looks like we have some little plastic retainers here, and we have to be careful with our hood latch right here. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, to get these off, pretty straightforward, using a trim tool, and I'm pulling out. And then we have a few over here. And we have two in the middle. All right, once you got those plastic fasteners off, you just kind of pull. There's a tab right here. And they should start coming off. All right, and we got this off. And now we have access to the tube side right there. As far as these go, I just pulled this one up, and I'm gonna do the same with this one right here. I could be wrong, but that's kind of how I did it. I was right, you just pull up on these things, wiggle them out, and they come right out. I don't know if this is the right thing to do, but I'm gonna get a little bit of coolant on this paintbrush, brand new paintbrush. And then I'm gonna put some on the seals. Not 100% sure if this is right, but I feel better about it. Just dry seals are never a good thing. This part's the only tricky part. I got the old one off, but let me show you how I did it. So they have these little clips here. So you kind of just remove this clip, and then you have to wiggle this out, but make sure you have a rag, because when you take that out, it's gonna start spilling out some coolant. And then I threw that one in there real quick, and we got that side on, and we're gonna put this side on. All right, time to put these bad boys on. So just gonna simply insert them and push that down. Same with this one. Insert that one and then push that down. And you guys could also see that I did clean everything up before I put everything back together. And that's it, guys. We are done. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching.